This is the concept map of the lesson. Today, the right to information is recognized within the Constitution under two fundamental rights as freedom of expression and right to life. Provision under RTI. Law prescribes that any individual can get documents like government orders, reports, advices, logbooks, rules and regulations, attendance list, etc. The person who wishes to get the information may have to pay a small amount that will meet the expenses like making copies of the document. But if the person who is asking for the information is below poverty line, BPL, then he or she need not pay the amount. Law also prescribes in every government office there should be an officer in charge to respond to these questions. He or she is known as information officer. Even though the information officer, there is another individual appellate authority who is expected to make sure the due action is taken. Further, at the state and central government levels, there should be an independent information commission. Under RTI Act, it is also compulsory for every government officer to declare certain information in public even without being asked by the people. Most government department websites also provide information about basic aspects of their institutions under the RTI column. Rights approach to improve the living conditions. Poor people have a right to lead a better life. How can poor people lead a better life? It can happen only when the laws are passed and welfare schemes are implemented by the government. A few poverty elevation programs that are launched by our government are the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, Manrega, which ensures that each family is guaranteed 100 days of employment in a year. Public Distribution System, PDS, ensures food security to the below the poverty line people. They can get the required food items regularly and also maintains the nutritional standards of the poor people. Right of children for free and compulsory education, RTE Act 2009. Freedom movement leader Gopal Krishna Gokhale in 1911 demanded from the British colonial government that they make a law for free and compulsory education for all children of the country. The British government did not agree, and such a law did not pass even after the attainment of freedom. Finally, in 2002, the Parliament recognized education as a fundamental right. The 86th Amendment of the Constitution that made education a fundamental right passed in 2002. The 86th Amendment says that the state shall provide free and compulsory education to all children between the age group of 6 to 14 through a law that it may determine. This law was finally passed in 2009 and it is called the Right of Children under the Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. RTE law declares that all children between the ages of 6 to 14 years have the right to free education. The state has to ensure the buildings of sufficient schools in all neighborhoods, appoint properly qualified teachers, and make all necessary provisions for quality education. It also declares that education should ensure all-round development of the children and learning through activities in a child-friendly manner. It also states that children should be taught in their mother tongue. Also, children should be free of fear and trauma. They should be able to express their views freely.